Good evening. Welcome to the second day. This is on 3rd September today on the homework portal. Right. Now let us start with this problem. I'm going to teach you only one part of this problem in 3 minutes. Okay. Then as the problem ends, we'll go for the next one in the next video. Okay. That's what I'm going to do. Because this is running on something like a 10-minute max to max, and my ring light here also will get heated up. So as a result of it, there are some constraints I have. So as a result of it, I need to do it in a much more time constraint way. Okay, let us do this without wasting our time. A sphere is projected horizontally. The sphere is projected at the intervals of 0.1 second. So what is happening over here is, let me assume or imagine this is a cliff. Okay, this is a cliff. From here, I am going to project a sphere. So as a result of it, what happens? The sphere now, it goes like this, right? Okay, and I am taking a photo over here. And because of these photos, you see, these are the points I am getting over here, which means for every 0.1 second, I am just taking a photo. So, okay, this is at 0.1 second, this is at 0.2 second, and so on. And then what is asked? The horizontal distance is measured, vertical distance measured, and is graphed. Okay, what is the question? Use the data from the diagram to determine the acceleration of free fall. So, you need to find what is the acceleration of the free fall from here. So, what we do is, this for 3 mark. So, first one is, there are so many points. We need to choose one appropriate point. Let us choose. See, for example, if I choose this point, see what's happening here. See, every point, okay, should lie on the grid line. So here it is not lying on the grid line, so I will not choose this one. Here, this is also not lying on the grid line. Here, see, this is not lying on this grid line. See, it is in between over here, right? So this also I'm not going to choose. See, every point is like this. Now let us take up this one. This one, see, it's exactly lying on this grid line because halfway that side, halfway this side is lying over here. So I take this. Now what is the value of this? See, if this is 0.6, this is 0.7, 72, 74, 76, 78. So this should be 0.78 meters. The vertical height is 0.78 meters. And what is the time taken? 0, 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4. Okay, now we have chosen the fourth point. Fourth point, reason is, okay, lies perfectly on grid. So this will carry 1 mark. Okay, and the value of it, h is equal to 0.4 meters, 0.78 meters, sorry, 0.78 meters, and the time taken is 0.4 seconds. Okay, and then what's the next thing? Now this one, 2 more marks, we have. Now what is the equation? So when you have a horizontal motion and you want to find, what is the height of fall if the time is given, what did you do? You use the formula like minus h is equal to minus uyt minus half ay into t square. Wow, we already run out of time. Okay, let us see how fast we can do it. Okay, so as a result of this, so uy is 0 because horizontal. So I put this as 0 minus half ay t square minus h is equal to this negative goes away. H is equal to half, it takes time, okay, ay into t square, right? This is what I have. So as a result of it, h is given, t is given, you can find the value of ay. Let us substitute the values over here. So 0.78 is equal to half ay into 0.4 square, which will be 116. So I will get the value of ay to be 0.78 multiplied by 2 divided by 0.16. Use my calculator. You can use your GDC. If it is given to you, have it with you. Then I can now substitute the values here and I get 0.78 multiplied by 2 divided by 0.16. I get the answer as 9.75, right? So 9.75. Now you see, we have only one significant digit, so I can use this as 9.7 over here. And moreover, if you want to use errors also, you have to use errors over here. So therefore, I am going to write this as 9.7 plus or minus 0. Unit 1 is meter per second square. Now 1 mark was awarded for selecting the proper point. The second mark was used for deriving or giving the right equation. The third mark was given for the proper answer along with the error being properly mentioned. Thus you get the 3 marks if you do all of them. Okay, let us move to the next problem.